Ever wondered why someone isn't answering your WhatsApp call? I will show you how to find out if the person is on another call. Watch until the end, I've got a useful tip for you. So first guys, launch WhatsApp on your device and select the contact. Just go to the chat with the person you wanna call and pretty much click on the phone icon right there. And if the status changes from calling to ringing, it means the call is going through and the person is not on another call. And if the call doesn't switch to ringing and keeps saying calling for a long time and you don't get a busy message, it likely means that the person is just unavailable, not on another call. So now you know how to tell if the person you're calling is on another WhatsApp call. So if this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will motivate me to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.